What's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you the 2006 Ford Mustang 6-cylinder with the convertible top. Beautiful alloy rims with great tread on the tire. Brings a nice little neat looking spoiler right here. Body's very well taken care of. Go ahead and hop inside. Interior of the vehicle is full leather, as you can see. Front 2 seats and in the rear. Fits up to 4 people, although the people in the back might have a very tight squeeze, but they can go in there if they want to. We do have power seats. We also have power windows right here, power locks. Hopping inside. You always have the very stylish looking steering wheel that the Mustangs come with. You also got your power mirrors right here on the side. Your light features. It is equipped with an automatic transmission. And as I said, it is a 6-cylinder, so it brings the 4.0 liter engine. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, the 4.0. Yeah, I'm right. You have your cruise settings on the steering wheel. And you have all of the chrome lining all around the dash. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So this specific vehicle is equipped with, or not equipped, but it comes with 113,000 miles. So convertible top does come down really easily. All you got to do is just pull on the latches right there, and then you got the little button that takes care of the rest for you.
Each time, guys.
No work for you at all. It is equipped with AC and heater, which are both working extremely well. You have a nice little glove compartment right there. Nice little center console with a 12-volt port inside, as well as a little 12-volt port right here, and a traction control in case you ever wanted to turn it off. You do have speakers all around the vehicle and the doors, and in the rear as well. So in the trunk we do actually have the floor mats for the vehicle. It's just been freshly detailed, so we can put them back here for you. You have your spare jack and wrench underneath. And you have a decent sized trunk where you can carry around a few little things. So under the hood you got yourself the 4.0 liter V6 engine. It gets about 210 horsepower, and we're looking at about 18 miles to the gallon in the city and 28 miles to the gallon in the highway. So, you know, you're actually not trading off too much power for fuel economy. You're still going to be able to get a very comfortable ride and get around where you need to go. This is actually a really big hood. I hadn't even noticed this, but you can fit a lot under this thing. Anyway, this was the 2006 Ford Mustang 6-cylinder convertible top. Let us know if you have any questions about the vehicle, or if you'd like to set up an appointment so you can come out and take it out for a drive and make it yours. Our phone number here is 559-444-0123. Let us know that you watched the video. We'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye.